In today's class, we are going for IPR patents, copyrights and trademarks in retail. IPR means intellectual property rights. Under that, patents, copyrights and the trademarks in retail shops will come. First of all, we have to understand why we should focus on the patents, copyrights and trademarks. There are two objectives. One, we should not violate the laws of the patents, copyrights and the trademarks. Second, if you want to protect your innovations or your trademarks or anything, then you need the informations of these all things as a retail businessman. So let's go for this. The decision to pursue a patent, trademark or a copyright depends on a type of the intellectual property you are trying to shade, whether it's a new product, logo or creative work. Registering your idea with the appropriate body can help ensure you enjoy the fruits of your labor. What you want to take, patent, trademark or a copyright, depends on what type of the intellectual property you are trying to shield or you are trying to keep the right. So let's understand what is patent. A patent safeguards an original invention for a certain period of a time and is granted by the United States Patent and Trademark Office. In short, it is called as USPTO. By granting the right to produce a product without fear of competitions for the duration of the patent, an incentive is provided for the companies or the individuals to continue the developing innovations, new products or the services. Okay. So if there is a new invented product, then the patents are taken. For example, the vaccines for COVID-19. So for this, the patents are taken. Okay. Here are three types of the patents: utility patents, plant patents and design patents. Okay. There are three types. Let's see what is utility patent. It covers the creation of a new or improved products, process or a machine, also known as a patent for invention. It bars other individuals or companies for making, using or selling the creation without consent. They can also apply to the software, business processes and chemical formulation such as in a pharmaceutical products. Utility patents are good for up to 20 years after the patent application is filed, but require the holder to pay the regularly scheduled maintenance fees. So utility patents are taken to use the particular invention till some period. Okay. The plant patent. A plant patent protects a new and a unique plant's key characteristics from being copied, sold or used by others. It is also good for 20 years after the application is filed. So for example, such as root cuttings, bulbs, divisions or grafting and a building. See, some of the real estate companies are having a plans for a building, right? So they will go for the blueprint and all. So they will take the plant patent for that, and most of their building will be in that particular plan. Okay. So this is what called as a plant patent. For even factories and all, this can be taken. A design patent on the other hand applies to the unique look of the manufactured item. For example, an automobile with a distinctive hood or a headlight shape. Okay, these visual elements are part of the car's identity and may add to its value. It is not only for the cars but even for the two-wheelers it is applicable, and for the heavy vehicles also this is applicable. However, without protecting these components with the patent, competitors could potentially copy them without a legal consequences. Design patents issued since May 2015 last for 15 years from the date of the patent. This is granted and do not require any maintenance fees. So this is regarding the patents. Usually the patents are taken for a new invention. What is trademark? A trademark protects the words and designs elements that identify the source of the product. Brand names and the corporate logos are primary examples. You know, some of the companies are having the logos and the brand names, right? So they should take the trademarks for that so that other companies should not copy this. A service mark is similar, except that it safeguards the provider of the service instead of intangible good. The term trademark is often used in reference to both designations. Trademark actually goes a bit further, prohibiting any marks that have a likelihood of confusion with an existing one. Therefore, a business can't use a symbol or a brand name if it looks similar, sounds similar, or has a similar meaning to one that's already on the books, at least if the products or services are limited. So, for service marks also, the trademarks are applicable. What is copyright? Copyrights protect the original work of the authorship, such as writings, art, architecture, and music. For as long as the copyright is in effect, the copyright owner has the sole right to display the share, perform, or license the material. So as you know, the recently someone is suited against Rakshit Shetty for violating the copyrights in his Kirik Party movie. There was a song called "Hey Who Are You," right? So as per this particular case, that song is of someone else and they are suited against him, and that particular case is in court. This is because they might have taken the copyright. Okay, so copyright is taken for the writings, art, architecture, and the music. One notable exceptions in the fair use doctrine. Okay, remember this. A notable exception, it is the fair use doctrine, which allows some degree of the distributions of the copyright material for scholarly, educational, or news reporting purposes. So, any books, if you are referred, obviously they have the copyright, but for educational purpose, we can use those books. For scholarly purpose or a news reporting purpose, we can use these books. The copyright will not applicable. The duration of the copyright depends on the year it was created, as the laws have changed over the years. Since 1978, most compositions have been copyright protected for 70 years after the author's death. After that time, individual works enter the public domain and can be reproduced anywhere without permission. So, after 70 years of the death of the author, those art, architecture, and the music can be reproduced. So, that's it for today's class. In coming class, we are going for some in detail information of this.